So what we have here today is the smart parking lot. So over here is the boom, which is worked by that servo over there. I made some street lights, fitted some amber LEDs into them. Here's our obstacle detection over here. There have a couple of vehicles dotted around. There's a RFID tagged scanner, and there's our processor over there, and over there is a display of what's going on. That's your I²C LCD. So what I'm going to do is scan a tag, and it opens, and the vehicle drives through, and it's currently obstructing the boom, so this can see it. So there it says vehicle hold. So now when I drive the vehicle past, there the boom closes. Now we want to come in again, so the vehicle's going the other way, and we open the boom and we back the vehicle into the parking spot like that. So there's your smart parking lot. Very good. I've had fun with this one. It was fairly straightforward. As always, the code is in a pinned comment. You can have a look at what I did there. And for the rest, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed lesson 4, and on to the next one. I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty, bye.